Greetings from Unihost.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Docker Compose on CentOS 8. This video is based on the guide from our knowledge base. All commands and links listed in the description below. Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. With Docker Compose, you can link multiple containers and deploy an application from a single command. Docker Compose uses a YAML file to define a complex stack in a file. Then, with a single command, you create and start all the services from your configuration. So, let's start the installation process. Add Docker CE repository to your system. Install the latest version of Docker. Start Docker and add it to startup. Verify the Docker version. Docker Compose is not available in the CentOS 8 default repository. You need to download it from the JIT. Install the curl command. Download the latest version of Docker Compose. You can check the latest releases here. Note, if the command Docker Compose fails after installation, check your path. You can also create a symbolic link to USR bin or any other directory. You need to provide execution permissions for a file USR local bin Docker Compose. Test the installation. Done. But Docker Compose has been successfully installed. If you enjoyed the guide and found it helpful, please leave a comment and subscribe for further videos. Thanks in advance.